What if I told you that the strongest, most athletic bodies on Earth were never built in a gym? Olympic gymnasts, street workout athletes, martial artists, no barbells, no machines, no membership fees, just their own body weight, and a system that has been building elite physiques for thousands of years. This is calisthenics, and in this video, I am going to show you exactly how to use it to build a body that is not just aesthetic, but functionally powerful. A body that moves, performs, and looks elite. Whether you are a complete beginner or you have been training for years, this guide will change how you think about building your physique forever. Let's get into it. Before I give you the program, you need to understand why calisthenics works so well. Most gym training isolates muscles. You sit on a machine, push a weight, and one muscle group does the work while your rest of your body does nothing. Calisthenics is the complete opposite. Every calisthenics movement requires your entire body to work as a system. When you do a pull-up, your back, biceps, forearms, core, and even your legs are all engaged simultaneously. When you do a push-up correctly, your chest, shoulders, triceps, and entire core are working together. This is why calisthenics athletes have that specific look. Lean, proportional, defined everywhere. Not just big arms or a white chest, everywhere. And there is another advantage most people overlook. Calisthenics trains your body at its own resistance. You are always lifting a load that is perfectly calibrated to your size. This means the risk of injury is dramatically lower, and the results are more sustainable long-term. The gymnasts you see with the most jaw-dropping physiques, they have been doing this for years with nothing but bars, rings, and the floor. That is available to you right now, anywhere, for free. Everything in calisthenics is built on 4 movements. Master these and you can build an elite physique with nothing else. Movement 1, the push-up. This is not a beginner exercise. This is the foundation of upper body pressing strength. When done correctly, with a straight body, elbows at 45 degrees, and full range of motion, the push-up builds your chest, shoulders, and triceps more effectively than most gym machines. Progress from standard push-ups to wide push-ups for outer chest, diamond push-ups for triceps, and pike push-ups for shoulders. Each variation targets a different area. Together, they build a complete upper body. Movement 2, the pull-up. The pull-up is the single most effective back exercise in existence. It builds the lats, the muscles that give you the V-taper, better than almost any gym alternative. If you cannot do one yet, start with negative pull-ups. Jump to the bar, hold yourself at the top, and lower yourself as slowly as possible. 3 sets of 5 negatives daily will have you doing full pull-ups within weeks. Movement 3, the squat. Bodyweight squats build functional leg strength that transfers to every movement in life. Focus on depth, below parallel, and slow, controlled descent. Add single leg variations like Bulgarian split squats for advanced leg development. Movement 4, the plank and core work. A strong core is not just about aesthetics. It is the foundation of every calisthenics movement. Hollow body holds, L-sits, and plank variations build the deep core strength that makes advanced movements possible. Master these 4. Everything else built on top of them. Here is your starting program. 3 days per week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Day 1 and day 3, upper body. Push-ups, 4 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Rest 60 seconds between sets. White push-ups, 3 sets of 12. These target the outer chest for width. Pike push-ups, 3 sets of 10. These build your shoulder caps for that rounded athletic look. Diamond push-ups, 3 sets of 12, triceps development. Dead hangs, 3 sets of 30 seconds. This builds grip strength and decompresses your spine. Day 2, lower body and core. Bodyweight squats, 4 sets of 25, slow and controlled. Bulgarian split squats, 3 sets of 10 per leg, 1 foot on a chair behind you. This builds single leg strength and glute development. Glute bridges, 3 sets of 20. Hollow body hold, 3 sets of 30 seconds. This is your most important core exercise. It teaches your body the tension position that makes every advanced movement possible. Plank, 3 sets of 45 seconds. Leg raises, 3 sets of 15. These build lower abs that complete the aesthetic physique. Follow this program consistently for 8 weeks and your body will not look the same. Once you can do 20 clean push-ups, 10 clean pull-ups, and hold a 60-second hollow body, it is time to progress. Push-up progressions, archer push-ups. One arm takes most of the load while the other extends sideways. This is your bridge to the one-arm push-up, and it builds serious unilateral chest and shoulder strength. Decline push-ups, feet elevated on a chair or wall. This shifts the focus to your upper chest and anterior deltoids. Pull-up progressions, archer pull-ups, same concept. One arm pulls while the other assists with a straight arm. Typewriter pull-ups. At the top of the pull-up, move horizontally from one side to the other before lowering. L-sit pull-ups. Hold your legs straight in front of you during the entire movement. This combines back and core training simultaneously. The skill movements. Once you have a solid foundation, these are the movements that build the most elite calisthenics physiques. The muscle up, the front lever, the planche push-up, the human flag. These are not just impressive, training toward them builds more muscle and strength than almost any gym exercise because of the extreme tension they require from every muscle group simultaneously. Your training is only half the equation. For calisthenics, nutrition is slightly different from traditional bodybuilding. You are not trying to maximize size, you are trying to maximize the strength to weight ratio. More muscle, less fat, optimal performance. The 3 rules are simple. First, eat enough protein, 0.7 to 1 gram per pound of body weight daily. This is non-negotiable for muscle retention and growth. Second, do not bulk aggressively. Extra body weight makes every calisthenics movement harder. Stay lean, eat at maintenance or a slight surplus of 200 calories maximum. Third, prioritize whole foods. Eggs, chicken, rice, vegetables, fruit, nuts, simple foods that fuel performance without unnecessary additives. The calisthenics body is a lean body, and lean bodies are built in the kitchen as much as on the bar. Here's what nobody tells you about calisthenics. The progress is slower in the beginning. The first pull-up takes time. The first muscle-up feels impossible. The front lever seems like it belongs to a different species. But this is exactly why calisthenics build a different kind of person, not just a different kind of body. Every skill you unlock in calisthenics was earned. You cannot buy a heavier dumbbell and skip the process. You have to build the strength, the coordination, and the body control from the ground up. The men who commit to calisthenics for 1 year come out the other side with something most gym goers never develop: genuine strength, full body control, and a physique that looks exactly as capable as it actually is. That is the calisthenics body. Your starting protocol: 3 days per week. Push-ups, pull-ups, squats, core. Master the 4 foundations first. Progress when you can do 20 push-ups and 10 pull-ups with perfect form. Then move to the advanced progressions. Stay consistent for 90 days. The body you see on elite calisthenics athletes did not come from a gym. It came from showing up every week and doing the work with nothing but gravity and determination. If you found this useful,